That's why it's called keystone species. And having the keystone species, the migratory birds, they came from like the pathway, right? They go from the Kanyakumari to the Siberia. So their pathways, when you provided the water, you can make some ponds, water source. Then they became a perching site. They're like a roosting area. What they do, they carry the gut of the bird. So they hold certain seeds. They do like when they eat something, they do poop, right? But certain pockets, they hold the long distance seeds to come to the food. So when they see they get the food, they replenish that one. So you are creating they bring the new species to here. What is required? A perching site, the water body. So you have to create somewhere small pond. I've got some here like there's like small pond here and inside. One big one so that they can fly where they can see. So these the water is the first stop. And food is the second. That's then they bring something unique species from the Africa, from the China, no quarantine.
Where we cannot get.
So we cannot get. If I take from China seeds from the Africa to here, I have so many regulations. Birds will bring it without any.
No regulation.
So I created the thick forest, my 60 by 40 side next to my home in Bijapur, and we started only 50 food species. Now my sister tell that something is new coming. This one I not planted. Yes, that's the hard mill planted. So this is what we are doing. You are like what you're telling.